Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to take ideas and turn them into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Wednesday, April 9th. And the market had a change of character today, and we had a change with it. We got a little defensive. We took some money off the table. We initiated some defensive strategies, which I'll tell you about. And one of the first things you have to know as a trader, when you're wrong, no matter how good you are, you're going to have bad calls every once in a while. It happens to everybody. But one thing you got to remember, the most important thing is to preserve your capital. Without your capital, you're out of business. So always preserve your capital. You need that to come back and fight another day. So let me tell you what our strategy is going to be. We're going to try and get a little money out on the short side. We sold off some of our positions that we had profits in. We put that money in the till. We still have some positions on the long side, which I'll go over. Some of them we're very comfortable with, and others we're a little skittish with. I'll tell you what my thinking is in all of them, and then we'll go through our winners and our losers, and we'll finish up with a short market review. So let's get started with our two stocks that we're going to try and short tomorrow. First one is Red Hat, symbols RHT, and the second stock we're going to try and short is ACXM. So now, just a moment, we're going to take a look at their charts. I'm going to see if we can show you how to take these two ideas and turn them into some money. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of Red Hat. RHT is the symbol, and this is a call on the short side. We'll be looking to sell this stock short tomorrow somewhere between $20 and $20.15. We're looking for a kickback up in here. It's a great looking descending triangle forming here. This caught my eye. I'm running around looking for shorts. I saw this and said, aha, there it is. And our target down here is 17.10. So let me recap that for you. It's a call on the short side, Red Hat, RHT, and we think we can make $3 in that trade. Our next call is ACXM. It's a call on the short side. We're looking to put this out 1150, 1160. Any kind of kickback tomorrow morning. We see the stock rolling over. We have a target. We have a target down here at $9.50, and we took some money out of it on this move here. We thought this was going to keep right on coming down to its support, which it should have done, but the rally sidetracked it and it came back up. And now it's rolling over and looks like it's going to fulfill its obligation, and we're going to ride it down. That's our idea. Okay, XOMA, we bought this today. We bought it early this morning. I wish I had waited. I didn't realize how ugly the market was going to get. But anyway, we own it, and I'm not totally unhappy with it. I may have to carry it down to here, but somewhere down in here is this bottom, so we're holding on to that. Okay, let's go to our winners and our losers. WCG, we bought this at $39.90. We sold it today at $40. Made 10 cents, but we're going to call it a push. I didn't like these declining tops. The market got weak and sloppy, and these were starting to make me nervous, so I hit a bid, and out we went. Didn't want the risk. Next one, HOKU, bought the stock at $8.35, sold half the position here at $10.20. Had the other half, thought maybe we'd get back up there, I could sell it again, but never got that opportunity. With the conditions of the market, I had a profit of 13% on the second position, so we sold it. Next position was SWHC. We bought the stock at $5.25 right in here, and sold it today at $6.01. Took about 14% out on our money. Like I said, once I saw the market getting really ugly, any profits I thought were reasonable, I took. SPSN is our next one that we sold. We bought this at $2.70 right in here. It was going along great until the company announced last night after the close that they weren't going to meet certain numbers. Boom, it gaps down. I go, oh no, great. And I watched it. It comes all the way back up into the resistance area. I had a chance to sell it at $2.90, and I sold it. We made about 8% or 8.5% on that one. Okay, let's take a look at our stocks in our portfolio. Some we're very comfortable with, some we're a little skittish with, and I'm going to show you which ones we're skittish with. I'm a little skittish with the Taser because the ultimate bottom is probably down here. The question is, do I want to carry it down there and then wait like a week before it finds a bottom and turns back up? Or if it rallies tomorrow somewhere around 970, and I'll take a small loss if I can get it off up there, that's probably what I'm going to do if I'm given the opportunity. Otherwise, I'll be carrying it around for a while. Shanda Tech, I think the stock is looking for a bottom. This is a big support area here. It's not like I bought it up here and I had all this risk. Stock is looking for a bottom, so I'm going to hang on to that. Brocade, 7 is the whole ball game. It's been here. It's a major support area. I have to give it the benefit of the doubt. AAI, anything transportation got whacked. I don't care if you're on a bicycle, you got hit. Stock rallies back anywhere to 645, I'm out. PKTR, you know there's a bid on the table of $5.50. Some investment private equity is willing to buy it. Chart looks still pretty good, and I think we've got a cushion there, the 550 bid, so we're still holding on to that. Seed, I like this stock a lot, believe it or not. You may not see it here still, but I'm going to turn this into a 3-day chart, and that's why I like it. Look at the symmetry of these rising bottoms here. I'm not letting that go. I'm holding on to that. TQNT made a new recovery high today. I'm obviously going to let that go. Not sell. I'm going to let it rally some more. HOTT, we bought it at 440. I'm sorry, we bought it at 450. Closed 440 after the close. Some kind of news came out, and the stock was bid up 20 cents after hours. So we're gonna see what goes on with that tomorrow. We're holding that. This is a 3-day chart of CPSL. It's got these rising bottoms, so I'm not going to sell it when I see rising bottoms. That's a 3-day chart. You have a harder time seeing it daily. So we're holding on to that. ATML, it's a 3-day chart. Rising bottoms, I'm holding on to that. BBI, it's searching for the support area. I think this is it right in here. So we're going to give this some time too. EXTR, this is the major support. It's probably going to touch it tomorrow, but we're holding on to that position. COMS, we own it at $2.35. Close at $2.37. I'm not going to get concerned until this support area right here gets broken. I'm not going to anticipate it. I'm going to wait till it happens. There's a good chance it doesn't happen. LVLT coming back down, testing support. I think it holds. I hope it holds. If not, we'll have to revisit that. CDL, I like this stock, and here's a 3-day chart. Look at this. Look at these rising bottoms. It looks great. Look at a 5-day. It's even better. I'm holding on to that stock. So there you have it. Now you know my thinking in all our positions. It's always tough riding out these positions, thinking they're going to, hoping they're going to hold when the market's getting whacked every day. But a lot of them still look really good. A few of them I'm a little shaky with, but most of them I look pretty good. I feel pretty good about. Now I'm going to run through the indexes. I don't have much time. Dow, obviously this top we couldn't get through it. My next guess is it comes down to this old support area where the whole rally started from. We regroup and try again. So QQQQs, same look, probably down to where the whole thing started from. By that time they'll be really good and oversold. Maybe they hold up a little bit higher than that, but we'll see the rally. When the rally starts to develop, we'll see it. Right now it's not in sight. Anyway, I'm running out of time, and that's my view. Talk to you tomorrow. This is TK signing off.